Happy Easter, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be taking us way back to Ibadan, where I will be showing you how to prepare one of their major favorite meal, which is Amala with Gbegiri and Ewedu soup. I hope the Ibadan folks are here watching. As you all are watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And you can also check the description box below for the full ingredients list. Thank you. For today's recipe, I will start by seasoning the turkey and the white cow skin and leave to boil for about 20 minutes. Once I am done boiling, I will start to fry the turkey in an already heated oil. I won't be frying the cow skin because it is already soft. But if you feel your cow skin is still hard, then you can proceed to fry it together with the turkey. And lest I forget, I will also show you how I make my stew once I am done frying. You know Gbegiri and Ewedu can't be complete without the stew. Now, how we proceed to boil the already blended pepper with salt and turkey stock. The reason why I am doing this is to extract the water from the pepper and reduce the amount of time I will use in frying my stew. While the pepper is boiling, I will start removing the shaft from my beans, which I will use to prepare the gbegiri. The type of beans I am using is called oloyin. I always prefer using this type of beans because it is easier and faster to cook, and also the sweetest among the type of beans. So I will continue doing this until the shafts are completely removed. Now I will go ahead to pour the beans after being washed into a boiling water. Then add salt and onions and cover to boil for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I will check the beans to see if it is soft enough. Once it is very soft, I will go ahead to match it with my local broomstick. You can also make use of the blender to grind it into smooth paste. Once the beans is already mashed into a smooth paste, you can now add your seasoning cubes, half cup of water to lessen the thickness, and also a spoonful palm oil, which depends on the quantity of your beans paste. But just make sure the palm oil is not too much. And thereafter, I will cover to boil for about 2 minutes and set aside. Now, I will go back to continue making my stew. Once the pepper is done boiling, I will pour it into an already heated oil. Add, add some seasoning cubes, the cow skin, and the fried turkey, and stir all together. You can check in for taste after stirring, and also add salt or seasoning cubes if it is not enough, and cover to cook for about 15 minutes. So now I am going to check in the stew. You can see here that the stew is already done. So I am going to set this aside and proceed to prepare the ewedu. For the making of the ewedu soup, you just need to add the jute leaves, which is also known as ewedu, into an already boiled water. Please don't forget to add the potash to the boiled water before adding the jute leaves. And thereafter, you leave to boil until it is soft and ready to match. Once the leaves are soft, I will proceed to match with my local small broom. I am going to continue doing this until I am very sure that the leaves are well mashed. Once I am done matching, I will add a teaspoon of salt and seasoning cubes for taste. And put it back on fire to steam on a low medium heat for 1 minute. Then we can now move to the last stage, which is the Amala. For the Amala, I am making use of Yam Flour, which is also called elubo. So I will sprinkle a little amount into a boiling water to check if the water is boiled enough to prepare the Amala. Once you see that the flour is separated on the surface, then the water is ready to be used, and we can now start turning our elubo. So right now I am going to bring it down so it can be easier for me to turn very well with my two hands. So here you can see the results. You can see how smooth it is looking. So I am going to pour already boiled water just a little and cover to steam together. So once I am done steaming it, I am going to stir it all together. You can see how smooth and fluffy it's looking now. This is when you start knowing that your amala is getting done. So you continue stirring this until when the water is well mixed together. Once I have mixed the water, I am going to cover again to steam for about 1 minute. And yes, the amala is ready, and I am going to set it aside. But before that, I am going to turn it until it is very smooth to serve. And yes, our food is ready to be served. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me up until this moment. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Happy Easter once again, guys, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.